Welcome to Evelyn. It is a Web3 cloud computing platform that integrates storage, network, and computing as its core capabilities. The platform has integrated IPFS as underlying protocol and supports Swarm technology to form storage network. Evelyn is compatible with AWS S3 and uses node collaboration to realize persistent storage of data. We've developed a service providing decentralized storage called Bucket. It's been over 4 months since its launch. During that period, we were constantly advancing the service and made it being able to fit all the needs in decentralized storage based on IPFS. We've set up IPFS storage nodes through Swarm Node T1. When a node joins the IPFS network, Evelyn IPFS Gateway helps users find the nearest node and provides quick upload and download of a file. Thus, the data security of S3 is also an indispensable part of Evelyn Bucket. The API of Bucket is compatible with Amazon S3 powered by Open Web Protocols. Currently, we are working on integration with Filecoin and upgrading and polishing Bucket to provide the highest level of user experience. So let's look at how to decentralize the storage of a file using Bucket. First, we need to upload the file. New users have to log in using their wallets and then proceed to a dashboard page. Let's create a new bucket and choose the files needed to upload. At a time, you can upload a bunch of files. After the files have been uploaded to Bucket, you can add custom domains to them in order to have an access through a custom build link. Of course, adding a custom domain is optional, as every file receives automatically generated link. When a file is uploaded to Bucket, you can check the file's IPFS hash. Through Evelyn's public gateway ipfs.forevelyn.io, you can quickly check your file and open it using the file's URL. Currently, lots of people are using Evelyn Bucket to decentralize the storage of their files. Daily, our users are creating countless CIDs and have already uploaded tons of data. Among our users, there is a solid number of NFT projects using our decentralized storage service. Also, there are lots of Web2 users storing their files on Bucket. The platform itself brings the future of internet to average users. Let them try Web3. Use extremely reliable decentralized storage service. Evelyn Bucket pushes forward Web3 revolution and helps users make a smooth leap to Web3. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.